This is a JobCost.com video tutorial on how to enter or edit an accounts receivable invoice contract billing. In the main cabinet, go to Accounts Receivable, click on AR Invoice Contract Billing List. To create a new AR Invoice Contract Billing, select the blue Add button. To edit an existing AR Invoice Contract Billing, click on the invoice number from the AR Invoice Contract Billing list. When entering or editing the AR Invoice Contract Billing information, be sure to fill out anything with a red asterisk or the AR Invoice Contract Billing will not save. All other fields can be utilized on a per AR Invoice Contract Billing basis. Select the job from the drop-down. The customer will auto-fill in from the job record along with any contact and customer PO number. Invoice number autofills in with the next available number or can be manually changed. This is alphanumeric up to 10 characters. Enter the invoice date. The accounting year month and due date will autofill in based on the date and customer settings. The description line will print under the heading before the body detail lines when printed. Note and summary section will both print below the detail lines when printed. To edit these sections, click the blue buttons, Edit Note and/or Edit Summary. After the invoice date was entered, all the job phase estimates for this job filtered in at the bottom. Enter the amount you want to invoice for under each phase in the Invoice Amount column. Invoice retention amount will auto-calculate if it is on the job record or can manually be entered. Description field can be utilized if necessary for each phase line item. Click Save when done entering new AR Invoice Contract Billing. This will generate a teal print button at the top of the screen. Click the print button and then select the invoice format you wish to use and click Print or Email. Click Save and Add if entering multiple new AR Invoice Contract Billings. Click Save and Close if completely done entering or editing AR Invoice Contract Billing, and it will close the current AR Invoice Contract Billing tab.